For the last 25 years, FastenMaster has worked side by side with top pro contractors to develop the most innovative decking, framing, and structural fastening solutions in the industry. FastenMaster was established in 1998 with the introduction of TimberLOK, the first code-compliant structural wood-to-wood fastener to replace lag screws. In the year 2000, we invented Trapeze, the first screw designed to attach composite decking with a clean, flush, color-matched look. Our LedgerLOK, introduced in 2003, changed the way decks were built by replacing traditional half-inch lag screws to attach the ledger board to the house. In 2004, we introduced GuardDog, the first exterior wood screw specifically designed for use in newer chemically treated wood. That same year, we developed TrussLOK, the first fastener to connect multiple ply LVL beams all from one side. In 2006, Tiger Claw was introduced as the first stainless steel hidden decking clip, bringing long-lasting quality and a nearly invisible finish. The following year, we came out with HeadLOK, the first code-compliant, flat-headed structural wood screw. In 2008, FastenMaster changed the deck and trim fastening category with the Cortex system, giving pros the ability to hide screws in places they never could before. Our ThruLOK was launched in 2011 as the first fastener to replace carriage and through bolts without wrenches, ratchets, or pre-drilling. In 2015, we improved on the Cortex system with collated strips, making plug alignment and installation 50% faster. 1 year later, the FrameFast system was introduced, replacing hurricane clips and strapping for many critical building connections with one screw and one tool. In 2019 came our NLB, or non-load-bearing connector, the first fastener approved to replace top-mounted clips in interior walls without getting on a ladder. Truss Brace, introduced in 2022, is the first truss support brace that combines both lateral and diagonal support in one connection. FastenMaster continues to innovate with new products like EVO, the first adjustable structural connector for supporting deck joists. We thank you for your support and commitment over the last 25 years. Stay tuned for more pro-driven innovations over the next 25.